Hello, I'm Miss Olivia from the Durham County Library, where I work as an assistant in the children's unit. And today I have the pleasure of interviewing the co-host, Henry, of the Cooking with Henry and Elliebelly show. So, this is based on a book entitled Cooking with Henry and Elliebelly. It was written by Carolyn Parkhurst, illustrated by Dan Yaccarino, and published in 2010. So, will you please welcome Henry? Hi! Hi, everybody! Hi! Oh, what fun, Henry. So, can you tell me, why are you wearing that pirate hat? Oh, right. Well, you see, Ellie, I was going to do the show, and I was starting to put on my chef's hat, but Ellie just went crazy, and she didn't want me to do it, so I just kept this on for the rest of the show. Oh, and I take it Elliebelly is your sister? Right. Elliebelly is a name that I give to my sister. Her real name is Eleanor, but I like to call her Ellie or Elliebelly, and I think she kind of likes it too. Yeah, I do. Oh. Well, I understand that you have done your own original theme song, and would you be willing to perform it for us today? Oh, I'd be honored to. Sure. Okay. Cooking with Henry and Elliebelly. Cooking with Henry and Elliebelly. This show is a good one. This show is so great. We cook all the food, but we don't cook the plate. Thank you for watching. You might gain some weight. Cooking with Henry and Elliebelly. Cooking with Henry and Elliebelly. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, Henry, that was fabulous, so inspiring. Oh, now, tell me, what is the recipe that you did on your show? Right. The name of the recipe is raspberry marshmallow peanut butter waffles with banana barbecued bacon, in any order. Oh, my mouth is watering. Oh, wow, that sounds delicious. Well, so could you tell us some of the ingredients? Sure, right. Well, first of all, you have to have the finest ingredients for this recipe. For example, you must use imported flour from Kansas. And you must use primo peanut butter, at least 2 jars of the stuff. And one of the other things you really need are duck eggs. Any size duck eggs, as long as they're duck eggs. Quack, quack. And then you start to stir. and stir. And I was stirring, minding my own business, when Elliebelly came and put in some pizza. And then she accidentally dropped her dolly in. Oh, and I could barely stir it. It was getting so tough. Oh, it was time for a commercial break. Oh, right, a commercial break. I understand that you do your own commercials. You do them live. That's right. I do them live. Ellie just hands me things to sell. Dolphin. Buy. Buy now. Buy. And tambourine. Buy. Buy. Now. Now. Buy now. And really? Oh, rocks. Buy rocks now. Buy now. Don't wait. Uh-oh. Ellie, really? All right. Buy yarn now. Buy now. Oh, whoa. Okay, so you finally came back from the commercial break, and you had some advice, didn't you, for everybody when it came to the sauce and other things in the recipe, right? Yes, I always like to give tips and advice. For instance, when you are adding the next ingredients, it doesn't matter. Let's see, you can add the barbecue sauce and then add the bacon, or you can add the bacon and then the barbecue sauce. It's really up to you. However, when it comes to adding the marshmallows, you see, I get 5 because I'm 5 years old. 5 marshmallows. And Ellie is only 2 years old, so she only got, that's right, you can see, she only gets 2. And I must tell you, that did not go down well with Elliebelly. Oh, I bet it didn't. Well, can you tell us what you might be cooking up for your next show, Henry? Yes, I can. I've been working on this next recipe. It is entitled Pirates Wiggly Squiggly Potato Seaweed Stew. And I happen to have a slice of it, a little morsel of it right here. Gonna be good. I'm working on it. Just getting a few of the spices in there. It's gonna be great. Oh, and by the way, my show, Elliebelly and my show, has been renamed to Pirates Cooking with Henry and Elliebelly. And thanks for coming. Yes, thank you for coming.